He did not attend the class, dash. Option B, did he? He did not attend the class, did he? He said that he dash there the next day. Option D, would go. He said that he would go there the next day. Scarcely had he entered the room dash the phone rang. Option A, when, scarcely had he entered the room when the phone rang. Neither the teacher nor the students dash present. Option C, neither the teacher nor the students are present. He has the ability to speak dash English and French. Option A, both. He has the ability to speak both English and French. The manager as well as his assistants dash responsible. Option C, is, the manager as well as his assistants is responsible. Hardly dash left the station when it started raining. Option A, had the train, hardly had the train left the station when it started raining. He objected dash my proposal. Option D, 2, he objected to my proposal. He behaves as if he dash the boss. Option C, were, he behaves as if he were the boss. All that glitters dash not gold. Option B, is, all that glitters is not gold. One should do dash duty honestly. Option C, once, one should do one's duty honestly. The news dash not very encouraging. Option A, is, the news is not very encouraging. I wish I dash a car. Option D, had, I wish I had a car. She asked me where I dashed from. Option B, came, she asked me where I came from. dash he worked hard, he failed. Option A, though he worked hard, he failed. There is no point dash crying over spilt milk. Option C, there is no point in crying over spilt milk. She said she dash been to Paris twice. Option A, she said she had been to Paris twice. Let's go for a walk, dash. Option A, shall we, let's go for a walk, shall we? She speaks as though she dash everything. Option B, knew, she speaks as though she knew everything. The principal, along with his staff, dash present. Option C, the principal, along with his staff, is present.